Hey guys, this is Beer from Team Wanderers. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how do you maintain or how do you clean your down jacket. We spend a lot of money in investing in down jackets, but at times if we do not care for it properly, it cannot last for the time being it's supposed to last. So what I'm going to talk about right now in this video is how do you clean them so that they can have a longer life, because they're not very cheaply priced, they're very expensive, right? First and foremost, you're supposed to see if there are any specific stains on your jacket. Probably you can spot clean them. What that generally means is just put a little bit of water on top of the spot that requires special attention. Rub it nicely with a soft bristled brush and make sure that the spot becomes light. Once it is done, before you put it directly into the washing machine, we suggest you check the washing machine vents and make sure there is no previous leftover residue of detergent. That could lead to further more stains if that residue is there. So make sure that is also not there. Then your third step is you put the jacket directly into the washing machine. Make sure the mode of the washing machine that you choose is cold wash or soft wash, right? The moment that is done, before you dry it, make sure this you put in the dryer along with 2 tennis balls. So now the purpose of this tennis balls is, so for instance, if you can see, there are these lines over here, so in between is the feather. So once this is washed with water, the feather in this particular patch or in any of these patches could get accumulated in one place. So now when it's going to be all going around, churning around in the dryer, the purpose of these 2 tennis balls is again to rotate along with it so that it beatens up, and in that particular space, it spreads out the feather as it was supposed to be. Right? The moment it is done, take it out, dry it in not direct sunlight, probably in some shade patches. That is something you're supposed to keep in mind when you're supposed to wash or take care of your down jacket. Dry cleaning is something, again, it depends on some brand to brand. When you invest in a jacket, it comes with a tag. On some tags or some specific spots at the back, it'll be mentioned that you're not supposed to dry clean it, or you are only supposed to dry clean it. So know it well in advance when you're buying it. Apart from this, another thing that we've noticed is many times people, when they're on some expeditions, they might turn up having a little bit of rips on some patches. So at that time, there's nothing that you can do, and there's no point stitching the jacket, right? So at that time, you're supposed to carry duct tape, D-U-C-K, duct tape. It's a grey colored tape. It's a very thick one, and you can order it online as well. You can get that very easily. Whatever patch is ripped, just apply a little extra duct tape around it, and it'll be like a very well stuck adhesive. So this is something that we want to share with you guys, because we've been having a lot of queries that people have asked. Is it safe for us to invest in a down jacket? Will it last long? What if it rips? What are we supposed to do? How will we maintain it? So I hope this video was helpful for people. Now they can choose depending on if they're okay with the maintenance of this jacket. Watch out for my videos, guys. This is Saran Beer again from Team Wanderers.